For Payoneer, organising and hosting these kinds of forums are absolutely at the core of what we believe in. We believe in democratising opportunity.
Consumers also pretty demanding. They're searching for where to buy.
E-commerce, you're going to have those bumps along the way. You're going to have categories.
Today was a great event. I got a chance to interact with such a huge base of sellers. There's so much excitement, right from somebody who's just starting out all the way to enterprises. And yeah, it's a great time to go direct to consumer and use services like Payoneer.
And some inspiring stories to make locally here in India. That's the beauty of
So DHL participated in all the 4 events of Payoneer Forum 2019. The experience has been awesome. It's becoming one of the foremost e-commerce event for the e-commerce sellers. Under one platform, they can understand all aspects of e-commerce business. In one word, if I have to describe, it's awesome.